Add rain effect to your image. So let's get started. First, enhance the color of your image by using color balance. Then use curves to adjust the levels of the shades of your image. Now get your second image. Then drag, paste or the image to your layer panel. Adjust the size of your new image. Now go to Image, Adjustments, Desaturate. Go to Blending Mode, then choose Overlay. Adjust the brightness of the rain effect, use levels. Duplicate the rain layer. Click Ctrl+J or Command+J. Adjust the opacity of the duplicate layer. Let's add some details to your image by using high pass. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.